Okay, welcome back to Good Morning Boss. Mga boss, alam niyo ba na meron kami nakilalang isang Canadian-Philippine organization na tumutulong sa mga kababayan natin. Kaya ngayon makakasama natin sila. Unang-una, she's a fresh graduate from Holy Cross High School in Vancouver, Canada. Let's welcome Miss Courtney Barrich. Good morning.
Good morning, thank you.
Okay, so we also have your sister, Kelsey Barrich.
Good morning.
Good morning. And from the Philippine Operations Coordinator of Angkop, Canada, we have Vida Juarez. Miss Vida Juarez. Good morning. Okay, so firstly, let's talk about your initiative, this initiative of yours. What are you doing in this project?
Basically just raising funds for an orphanage in the Philippines.
Okay.
The St. Martin de Porres orphanage.
Okay. So why have you chosen this orphanage to help out?
Well, I came here last March with my school through
Okay.
ANCOP. They were the main kind of sponsors of us to help us get here. And they chose the orphanage for us. And then the kids inspired me to help them to raise the money.
A while ago, you mentioned that you just graduated in high school this June.
Yep.
Okay, so now you're here in the Philippines. So before going to the university, you've chosen to stay here for a while to help out. So what was the basic reason for you to do this?
Well, basically to help the kids.
Okay.
And just help build houses, I guess, when the first time we were here.
So your sister is here. So Kelsey, in what ways are you helping your sister for this project?
I'm just her moral support, and I've never been more proud. So.
Okay. So and you graduated in college already?
Yes.
Okay. So also with us now, we have Miss Vida Juarez. She's the Philippine Operations Coordinator here in Angkop. So ma'am, sa paanong paraan naman po nag-coordinate yung high school nila Courtney, yung Holy Cross High School with Angkop Philippines?
Actually, yung Holy Cross Regional High School ng Vancouver cooperated with us sa kanilang outreach project. And they came in to build houses. We went to orphanages. And they also sponsored children for school.
Okay. Okay, so again, let's go back to the orphanage. This is St. Martin de Porres Orphanage in Tondo. Okay, so how are the kids there so far in your visits in Tondo?
So cute. They're all very welcoming to us, and it's a great experience every time we go.
Okay, so we have a picture here being shown now.
Yep.
So these are the kids in Tondo.
That was from last time, or 2 days ago when we were there.
Okay, so you do activities every day with the kids?
No, last time we were here, we only visited them once.
Okay.
And then this time, it was only one time.
Okay.
Again, just to give them the money and kind of, so we had some gifts for them.
All right.
And to say hi and thank you and
Okay,
everything.
so what are the usual activities that you're doing with the kids?
Just playing basic games, like Ring Around the Rosie, some clapping stuff,
Okay.
Soccer, basketball.
Okay, so you mentioned that you were doing activities to raise funds for the said orphanage. So, in what ways or what activities have you been doing to raise these funds?
Well, the main kind of fun, or the activity was I wore a burlap dress to my graduation, and that was the main kind of fun. So people saw that I was wearing the burlap dress, and they donated to me.
Okay. You used that in your graduation? Okay.
Yeah, because most people in Canada, they wear a big fancy dress.
Yes.
But I decided to wear a burlap dress instead to kind of show awareness and to raise money.
Okay, so what material was used in that dress?
A burlap potato sack.
Okay.
So here, the orphanage, they actually made bags, a line of bags for us, and they used peanut sacks.
Okay, so let's focus direct here in the camera. This is Courtney inspired. Okay, so these bags were made by
the orphanage.
The orphanage.
By the ladies there.
Okay, so let's talk about the ladies in that orphanage. So, why do you think they decided to create this kind of bags and named after you?
Well, I think they were a little inspired maybe by what I was doing for them, so they wanted to give back and try to make the bags. And then also this will go, if it sells, the money will go, some of it will go towards the orphanage too for the kids.
Okay, so these bags were made out of peanut sacks.
Yep.
Okay, so that's creative. Okay, so Miss Vida, nabanggit nga po na yung mga moms po ba? Moms na sila yung mga volunteers sa St. Martin de Porres na gumagawa ng mga bags na to. So far, papaano po nakakatulong itong mga bags na to para syempre sa kabuhayan ng mga gumagawa ng bags and of course yung sa operations na rin ng orphanage?
Actually, ang pagtayo nila ng bags na to started only a month ago.
Okay.
And no expectations. It's just like they just explore the market if they can get the peanut sacks
Okay.
to do the Curti-inspired bags.
Okay.
And na-surprise sila because the next batch of builders went also to St. Martin and nagustuhan yung mga bags na yun. So, sabi nila may potential. Sabi ko, pag ito na-blast namin, makuha nyo bang maibigay yung supply? Sabi nila, hindi pa namin naisip yun kasi bago pa. So, actually, ano pa siya? In progress pa.
In progress pa.
Hindi pa ganun kadami, but madami na rin sila doon.
Okay, so when are you planning to promote this?
Actually, we started promoting. We get pictures of Courtney and Kelsey here na minomodel nila dyan.
Okay.
Ito. And we will iba-blast namin yon for others to see also. To inspire more teenagers like her,
Okay.
mga high school. Kasi hindi siya common na
High school student going here in the Philippines.
And ano yon, out of a fancy dress like
Yes.
that. So parang ginawa niyo to in favor of a worthy cause. So parang hindi lahat ng mga bata ganon, di ba?
Okay.
So inspiring talaga yung ginawa niyo.
So meron na po bang estimate, let's say,
Cost?
price or cost muna
Okay.
pag ginagawa to?
Okay, iyaan ang bigay ng St. Martin is 750.
Okay.
And this one is 350.
Yeah,
no?
I believe
Okay.
so.
Mga ganon lang siya.
Tapos gawa siya sa peanut sack.
Ito, gawa
Ito.
sa peanut sack ito.
Okay,
Ang
this one.
katsa. Yeah, meron lang complete combination.
Okay, so backpack siya.
May backpack siya.
So pag bumili sila nito, bukod sa sinuportahan nila yung ginagawa ng
Oo, mga
orphanage,
bata.
makakatulong din sila doon sa operations ng orphanage.
Yes, oo. Malaki din kasi para siyang cost product eh. Parang instead of buying outside, ito meron mapupunta sa orphanage operations.
Okay. Okay, so from this, let's go to Kelsey. Kelsey, upon our discussion a while ago, you mentioned that you were also part of the volunteers who helped out before in Gawad Kalinga. Right? So how was your experience then?
It was amazing. I've never been around so many people that, I mean, they don't have a lot, but they're the most like warm-hearted people you'll ever meet.
Okay. So are you planning to continue this outreach program?
I'm planning to just help with Courtney and then
Okay.
help with the ANCOP sort of.
Okay. So Courtney, what are your next plans for this? How are you planning to make this expand with your friends in Canada? Are you also planning to invite them to come over?
Yeah, next time, of course, when we come over, we'll bring them more people.
Okay.
And the dress designer who made my dress,
Yes.
her and I are trying to collaborate to make kind of more like gowns for next year for the students, for girls or guys if they want to wear it to grad or just in general to buy stuff.
Okay.
So then that money will go towards the orphanage again, and hopefully we can raise more money through ANCOP too,
All right.
because they have a walk every year as well.
Okay, so
with that.
okay. So as we end, maybe a final message from ANCOP Philippines. So in what way can our viewers help out in this initiative?
Okay, if you want to donate and send a kid to school, just visit our website. It's www.cfcancop.org.
Okay, Kelsey, any message to our viewers? Especially your friends in Canada, maybe they're watching now. Hopefully through our live stream.
I support everyone next year for prom to buy the burlap sacks, and then that money will go towards.
Okay,
a
so
good
you're
cause.
selling also the dress
That's
made
the-
out
that-
of potato
That's
sacks.
our goal. for
Yeah, to sell
Okay.
more dresses for next
For the
year.
next prom. Okay, so hopefully your friends in Canada would buy those dresses.
Hopefully, yeah.
Okay, Courtney, message to our viewers.
Thank you to everyone who has supported through this whole journey, and God bless you all.
Okay, so thank you so much for doing this initiative here in the Philippines and for choosing Philippines. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay, so muli mga boss, nakasama natin ang Philippine Operations Coordinator ng ANCOP Canada, walang iba kundi si Miss Vida Juarez. Gayon na rin ang mga volunteers natin all the way from Canada, si Courtney and Kelsey Barish. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating pagbabalita. GMB Balita na po susunod yan. Dito lamang sa Good Morning Boss. Thank you so much.
Pagiging mata at boses ng mga maliliit na tao na
Tulungan niyo akong tuparin. Pangarap na yun.
Due to its